Jai Hind student, this is a new chapter named Father William. This is a poem, so let's get started. The first stanza of the poem is, "You are old, Father William," the young man said. "You are old, Father William," the young man said, "and your hair has become very white, and yet you incessantly stand on your head. Do you think at your age it is right?" So let's see what is the explanation of this first stanza. The young man said to Father William, "You are old and your hair has become very white. Because you are old, your hair become very white, and yet you incessantly stand on your head. Instead of your old age and white hair, incessantly means continuously, constantly, without stopping, you are standing on your head. Do you think at your age it is right? It is right in your this old age to stand on your head?" the young man said to Father William. "In my youth," Father William replied to his son, "I feared it might injure the brain, but now that I am perfectly sure I have done, why I do it again and again." So in first stanza we have learned that the young man asked to his father, named Father William, that in your old age, as your hair became white and you are old, how you can constantly stand on your head. Is it not right for your such a old age? At this, Father William replied to his son, "In my youth," means Father William is saying that when I was young, I feared to do it for the injury in my brain. But now, in this old age, when I know that I can do it very perfectly, I am very much sure with this. So why I cannot do it again and again? That is why I am doing it very much confidently. Again the young man asking the question to Father William, "You are old," said the youth, "as I mentioned before, and have grown most uncommonly fat. Yet you turned a back somersault in at the door. Pray, what is the reason of that?" The young man asking again to Father William that, "As you are old, already I have mentioned to you, as you are old, I have already mentioned this. So how can you do it?" The young man asking to Father William, "and have grown most uncommonly fat," means with the passage of time, when the man grow up and his physical appearance also changed. So you are also uncommonly fat now. How can it is possible you can stand at the door by turning your head in actively manner like a young man? Oh God, I am praying, please let me confirm, let me explain the reason behind that, how it is possible to do for you like this." At this, Father William replied to young man that, "When I was young," said the sage, as he shook his grey locks, "I kept all my limbs very supple by the use of this ointment, 1 shilling the box. Allow me to sell you a couple." So Father William replying to his son, here Father William is addressed with the word of sage. Sage means a authentic person, a pure person, means Father William is a good person. So he is saying that when I was young, by shooking his hair, a part of hair, locks means लटें, बाल की कुछ हिस्से को locks कहते हैं. So grey hair, why is grey colored? Because he is old. So by shooking back his grey locks, he is replying to his son that he kept all his limbs. Limbs is what? The legs and hands. The four parts, the legs and hands means I have kept my all limbs very supple, very flexible in my youth age. I was very active in my youth age, and also now this time when I am old, also I have purchased an ointment to use for my joint and for relieving the pain in 1 shilling a box. Shilling is a coin in Europe, Britain. So shilling, like we have in India, we have coin, 1 coin, 2 coin, 1 rupees coin, 2 rupee coin, such as in Britain also called 1 shilling, 2 shilling. Okay, so he is telling that he has a tube of ointment, a gel like Omni gel. So he is having an ointment with 1 shilling a box. If you also need, I can sell you a couple. A couple means the 2 boxes of ointment. So he is suggesting to young man, very confidently Father William suggesting the young man, if you need also the ointment, I can sell you a couple of boxes. Couple of boxes means 2 boxes in 2 shillings. Understood?